Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I'm going to talk about one common reason why your English is not improving. Alright guys, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear guys, today in the morning, I was having a conversation with a boy and he complained about his English, that he practices a lot, he gives a lot of time toward learning English, but still he is not getting the result. His English is not improving, right? So listen this video guys till the very end so that you can also understand what is one common reason in everyone's life because of which their English is not improving, right? So guys, let's come back to the point. See, everybody knows that practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Reality is something different, and we are doing something different. Here, this is a statement, or you can say a saying, practice makes a man perfect. But when it comes to take action, you can ask a question to yourself. Does we follow such things? Sorry, do we follow such question? Or do we follow this statement? Not at all. Everybody knows. But still we keep complaining our English, that our English is not improving. Of course, I can say that you practice English, I do the same thing. He does the same thing. But why some of why few of us can speak good English and why they are not? Why? Then they cannot speak good English. Like, what is the reason behind it? So, see, guys, of course, if as I told you, practice makes a man perfect. So, there is a logic behind it. There is a logic behind it. Like, how do you practice your English? Or how should you practice your English? These are the two most important things that you must know regarding practicing your English. There are a lot of people, they believe that if you practice your English 2 hours a day and you leave practicing for few days, few more days, like 7 days, 8 days, and again in the ninth day again you start practicing your English and you keep practicing up to 3 hours. So many people believe in such a way. So do you think that if you will practice in such a way, so do you expect your improvement in communication, or do you anticipate your improvement? Not at all. This cannot be done. I was thinking the same in, you can say, before, when I was having time. So I was practicing 4 hours, 3 hours a day, and then I was taking rest. I was taking pause of 5 days, a week. Then I was starting my practicing practice once again. So, what was the result? Result was very terrible. I was not getting result. And again I was complaining that my English is not improving. So here what you need to understand, practice 15 minutes. Listen very carefully. Practice 15 minutes, but make it daily. But make sure that you must be doing this practice every single day. It does not matter how much busy you are today, but you have to take out 15 minutes for your English. Or if today you are that much busy that you really can't practice your English even for 15 minutes, then in the upcoming day, or you can say next day, you have to spend 30 minutes. 15 minutes for today and 15 minutes for that particular day. Means you have to spend 30 minutes. This is an example. Otherwise, if you are free for 4 hours a day, 3 hours a day, 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day, no problem. You can utilize your time according to your time flexibility, right? According to your comfortable. If you are according to your time, sorry, if you think that you have enough time, you are comfortable enough to spend more time practicing your English, then it's up to you. Of course, you will get good result. So here, what I told you, you must be understanding. Here, I'm just talking about the consistency. Here, I'm talking about the consistency. If you follow the rule of consistency, then believe me, there will be result. Yes, It can take some time because English is our second language. It is not our mother tongue. When it is our mother tongue, that moment we learn that language automatically. There is no need of learning grammar activities, following grammar task, following some basic strategies, not at all. But in the case of English, it is not our mother tongue. So of course we have to go step by step. We have to follow step by step to reach that level when we will be speaking amazing English. So you have to wait till that time, but make sure that you should follow this step by step process, so you at least you can improve your English. So this video lesson was completely based on consistency, guys. Try to follow the rule of consistency. Try to follow the rule of consistency, and then you will see that there will be a vast changes in your communication. And yes, there will be few people also watching this video, and might be they are thinking, or they can think that I cannot follow the consistency. What is the reason behind it? Guys, see, the reason and the logic is very much simple. When you give priority to something, you feel that particular thing is very much important. If you will not do, you will feel something is missing in your life. Why? Because you give more priority. If you will not eat food, if you will not eat food, then you know that I will become weak. I can feel weakness in my body parts, because of which eating food becomes very necessary, very much important, right? So same thing happens with your with anything. If you give more priority, if you say to yourself, if you will not learn English, you cannot improve your personality, you cannot talk to foreigners, you cannot go to outside of the country. If you have these priorities, then believe me, you cannot, like how to say, you can easily follow the consistency rule, right? So you cannot procrastinate if you giving, or if you're giving more priority learning English language. Anyway guys, it's up to us, it's up to our interest, like what exactly do you want to do in your life, right? So anyway guys, just follow these two things: practice with consistency and discipline. This is the last statement, guys, and then after I will conclude this video. Practice makes a man perfect, but make sure that practice with consistency and discipline will make you a fluent speaker in English language, right? Anyway guys, I hope you understood this video and the motive of this video. And if you are ready to follow my decision, okay, it is not my decision actually, it is my opinion and suggestion for all of you. If you are ready, then please say yes in the comment box and say, from now onwards I'm gonna follow your advice, your suggestion. All right guys, so if you enjoy watching this video, please, guys, support me, or you can share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. And if you have any question, you can ask me down below in the comment section. Okay guys, till then, bye, see you soon, and once again, thanks for watching my video.